This short video will address how to add a new listing to your account. It is advisable to draft your entries before you open the listing form, and it will go much smoother and quicker. After you log into your dashboard, click on the Add New Listing link, which is found beneath your bio. This will open the listing form. Use the drop-down menu under Choose Category to choose your top level category. In this case, we're going to choose Woodcrafts. It'll open another subcategory box where you can choose a subcategory. In the next section, Listing Details, type in a title of your item here and be as descriptive as possible. Now, I already have one saved. I'm going to use it. Maple Burl Carved Centerpiece Plate. In the next field, Buy It Now, if you have a PayPal.me account, you may place that link here. If you have a price for your item, which includes shipping and handling, you can add that amount to the end of your PayPal.me link. In the availability section, this is where you tell the buyer where this item is found. Seller's home. In the description box, type in a description of your item here. Tell the buyer as much as you can about your item, type of material, techniques used, height, width, length, weight, colors if needed. It's also good to add your name in the description for search engines. In the next area, Contact Details, type in how you want to be contacted. We advise against using your address for security purposes, but you put in your phone and email address. At least they can call you or send you an email if they need to. Put in the location where you live, Green Valley, Sahuarita. If you have a website, you can put that in. If you don't, you can just use southernaz.org, and you can put in a zip code if you like. In the next section, Images, you may upload up to 4 images here. Each of them must be less than 100 KB in file size. If you get a null entry after trying to upload, then your image was too large. The next section is where you may add a price. The price here should match the price in your PayPal.me link if used. To complete the listing, click on Terms of Use, click on I'm Not a Robot, and then when you're done, you can place the listing. If you need to, you can hit Save Draft and you can come back to it later. But if you're ready to place your listing, click on Place Listing and it will immediately place that listing on the southernaz.org listing website.